Hello everyone. Today I will talk about well seismic methods and therefore going to start a new series under a separate playlist, well seismic methods. I will talk about all the well seismic methods with special emphasis on vertical seismic profile. I have divided well seismic methods into many short videos. It is because I believe that it is always easy to watch a short lecture as compared to a long lecture. So today I will just give a small introduction about well seismic methods, and in the upcoming discussions I will discuss about VSP, its different types and applications, and other methods like check shot survey, well shot seismic, and well to well or cross well seismic methods. So here we go. The seismic technique is the geophysical method that most commonly used to define subsurface structures. The most common implementation of this technique consists of reflection seismic with multiple coverage. This method provides imaging of the subsurface in 2 or 3 dimensions as shown in the two figures on right hand side. One is simple a 2D seismic section while other is a 3D cube. In order to obtain a more accurate depth eye than that provided by the velocities resulting from surface seismic data during velocity analysis, geophysicists used well data such as velocity survey or sonic log, or more recently information is extracted from well seismic. Well seismic methods are used mm, for a better knowledge of a reservoir not only in the exploration phase, but these can also be used in the exploitation development phase with repetitive seismic for the study of reservoir as a function of time. I mean monitoring survey. Before going into further detail, first I will describe the differences between surface and well seismic methods. In surface seismic, our source and receivers are always lie on the Earth's surface or near the Earth's surface. I mean, explosive source is always kept beneath the Earth's surface, while in well seismic, either the energy source or the detectors or sometimes both are in the borehole. In the second point, in surface seismic source, in the surface seismic source and the receivers are on the surface aligned more or less horizontal, while in the well seismic methods the geophones are aligned more or less vertically. See the two figures. In the case of well seismic here, this figure, source is on the surface or near the surface while the receivers are in the well, and in the case of surface seismic methods, both source and hydrophones are near the surface of water or almost horizontal. The example I have shown here is of marine seismic survey, while in case of land surveys, the Earth's topography is also be a factor. So this was the difference between well seismic and surface seismic. The basic difference is in well seismic, source or receiver, one is in the well and other is on the surface, while in the other case, both are almost on the surface or near the surface. Three types of well seismic techniques can be distinguished: surface shots, well shots, and well to well or cross well seismic. In the first case, surface shots, the shot points are on the surface with receivers in the well. In the second case, uh, the shots are in the well with receivers at the surface. For example, seismic while drilling or when drill bit is used as seismic source. Sorry. In the last case, uh, cross well seismic or well to well seismic. It means shots are in one well with the receivers in another well. The example of all the well seismic techniques are shown here. The first one is surface shot. Source is at the surface while receivers are in the well. The second one is well shots. The source is in the well. I mean the drill bit, drill bit acts as a as a source here, while the geophones are receivers are on the surface. In the third case, source is in the one well, while receivers are on in the other well. In the next video, I will start with surface shots, and I will discuss VSP, vertical seismic profile, in more detail. While I will also discuss other methods like check shot survey. Thanks for watching. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. I hope to see you again with more helpful videos in future.